Hadin kecing pentep igi rai belashim da kecing yelang Kynhun menteri ke sorkar MDA2 hak artrek nok pra arcar opsau ba poleng do menteri badai khmi ke tourism ban nongai ketien ke sorkar ulah kentaj igi jingli bagi Kynhun tem Rwai na Shabar keri India ki penduk Mynsiem igi Samla ke Jylla ki badan kesap ban tem Rwai ulah ong bar ke Jingwan ki Kynhun tem Rwai kita masa baper nadu ke por bawan ke Kynhun firehouse hadu Kynhun tem Europe dangi kindat singi bladap kelai Mynsiem igi khun Samla ban yok tem hagi Hard Rock Cafe hakeleng keri India bat shen kenya ki wei pat kiri haga pertai.
Let's understand that this is a situation where you have local bands, not just the local bands have opened for these international bands. So in the first instance, while you say that having international bands would eclipse local bands, but on the other hand, their performance here has, right from Firehouse onwards, the performance, the presence of international bands has also raised the standard of local bands because everything became competitive. So now we have our local bands performing in various Hard Rock Cafe outlets throughout India, and by 2025 they will go global, which means their standards have gone up to the extent that they have become acceptable to Hard Rock Cafe standards.
So another concern was the international bands just played limited songs.
Limited songs. I know it. I mean, probably you wanted to hear them play more. But fact of the matter is we also have to adjust to timings, logistics, such issues. But the forthcoming events like Bryan Adams will be, I mean, you look at even Europe, they were there on stage for 2 hours without any break.
Halo ke Jingwan kinong cungok kai pertai ke jing pelut kita masa baper buat pol loong bon sai ke jingte babnya hai hindat sengi banwan.
This year's cherry blossom, how many attended? What was the overall?
I'm yet to get the figures. It should be ready in a day or two, because after cherry blossom we traveled to Kaziranga and then to Garo Hills, so I've not collected the figures. But it is the biggest edition so far. I'll share with you details because each festival, the funding model changes from festival to festival, depending on, for instance, Cherry Blossom is almost entirely funded by state government. Bryan Adams, there is a huge investment from the private player. So it depends on which festival.
Habatin, page bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut page ya kashap plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Kan nutrition bakam bha kajing im bakam bha pendon kam daki mar ba modern ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shapi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.